Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving, I'll cover the latest best practices to ensure your transfer goes smoothly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Crypto.com, and that you have some Ethereum in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet to view your assets. Next, find your Ethereum balance and click on Withdraw. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet, select Ethereum, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Double check that it's the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any issues. Back on Binance, paste that Crypto.com address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. In 2025, expect faster blockchain confirmations thanks to upgrades like Ethereum 2.0, but it could still take 5 to 30 minutes depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on fees, they vary, so use Binance's fee estimator to minimize costs. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com wallet to confirm the Ethereum has arrived. A few quick tips. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for security. Double-check the wallet address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's irreversible. And if you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Transferring Ethereum from Binance to Crypto.com is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.